condo is located at Beach Point Villas and is an absolute standout. It has been meticulously renovated and maintained and is the definition of true turnkey. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or investing in a working short-term rental, you won't find a better home than this. The first floor has an entryway with a place to store your shoes and hang your keys, a one-car garage, and a huge storage room with street access. Up the stairs to the main living level, you will find a spacious gathering room, a balcony that looks out to the beach, a well-equipped kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless appliances, and a gorgeous tile backsplash. Continuing on this floor, you have a bedroom with 2 twin beds and a full bath. Up the stairs on the 3rd floor, you have the primary suite with a private balcony and an ensuite with walk-in shower. Also on this level is the 3rd bedroom with a full bath and a laundry room. This home comes fully furnished, so all you need to do is pack a suitcase and get ready to live on Tybee time.
Hey y'all, it's Livy Robbins here with Boggs Realty, the Boggs Jones team. Right now I'm at one of my newest listings. This is 121 Old Manor Lane here in Guyton, Georgia. This fabulous house is 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms. We're right over 2,200 square feet, and this home is placed perfectly on 1.39 acres. Come on y'all, let's check out all this one has to offer. This home is nothing short of class and elegance when we're greeted with the beautiful foyer, tall ceilings, and wood laminate flooring throughout. The kitchen is the heart of every home, and this one does not disappoint. From the granite countertops with granite backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and ample amount of seating at the bar. Don't wait to call this home yours today. Give me a call.